Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to send multiple photos using Gmail on your PC with the latest update. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see a big red button that says Compose. Go ahead and click that. A new message window will pop up, ready for you to start writing. Now, at the bottom of the message window, you'll notice a paperclip icon. This is the attachment icon, which you'll want to click on. This is where the fun begins. After clicking the attachment icon, a File Explorer window will appear. Here, you can browse through your computer to find the photos you want to send. To select multiple photos, simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each photo. Once you have selected all the photos you want to send, click the Open button. With your photos attached, it's time to write your note. Type whatever message you want to include with your photos in the message body. Don't forget to fill in the recipient fields. Enter their email address in the To field and add a subject in the subject line. Finally, when you're ready, hit that Send button and your photos will be on their way. And there you have it. You've successfully sent multiple photos on Gmail with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.